Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Miss, hello everyone. My name is Siti Nurjanah. I'm from class 12 language 2. Let me present a storytelling. The title is Fox and a Cat. Okay, listen to me. One day, a cat and a fox were having a conversation. The fox, who was a concert cat, boasted how clever she was. Why, I know at least 100 tricks to get away from our mortal enemies. Good job, she sighed. I know only one trick to get away from dog, sighed the cat. You should teach me some of yours. Well, maybe someday, when I have the time, I might teach you a few of the simple ones. Repeat the fox early. Just then they heard the barking of a pack of dogs in the distance. The barking grew louder and louder. The dogs were coming in their direction. At once the cat ran to the nearest tree and climbed into its branches, well out of the reach any dog. This is the trick I told you about, the only one I know, sighed the cat. But which one of your 100 tricks are you going to ask? The fox sat silently under the tree, wondering which tricks she should use. Before she could pick up her mind, the dogs arrived. They will upon the fox and tore held the peace. The moral value: first one, simplicity. Second, long lines. Third, speed. Fourth, humanity. And the last, effectiveness. Okay, thank you for your attention. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.